Tea processing in factory. There are 5 steps in tea processing. 1. Withering. 2. Rolling. 3. Fermentation. 4. Drying. 5. Grading. 1. Withering. Withering means to reduce its moisture content of leaves. 2. Rolling. The roller grind the cells of the leaves. 3. Fermentation. The tannin of the cell partly oxidized. The leaf changes color and turns bright coppery red. After fermentation. 4. Drying. This step aims in stopping the fermentation process, slowly removing the moisture content without a burnt smell. 5. Grading. The dried tea passed through different sized meshes, aim in separation into different grades.